Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows sign-in error when you're trying to sign in with a PIN but you forgot your PIN and how to reset it. So let me just lock my screen. Now what you need to do is when you want to enter your PIN, you press I forgot my PIN. After that again press I forgot my PIN. And if you are signed into your Microsoft account, you will have this option. You will see your email address and you can go ahead and send the code. Press send the code. Now you will get the code to your email and you want to go ahead and enter it. Now once you've done that, you want to press sign in. Press continue and enter a new PIN. Confirm it. Press OK. And your problem is fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.